So this is the progress day 5. This is the whole family room.
Tungod pa manggami yung pistanan. Bula. Lisan nila, straight oh.
Coconut milk. And then once this one collapses, it goes all the way to the house. So good morning, guys. So we are here again at the farmhouse. So this is the progress day 5. During day 5, I am absent because I am watching, or I am taking care of the store. So mom and dad are only here. And this is the progress they did for day 5. And day 5, they've been doing this all alone by themselves. So let's see what's the progress now. So this is the progress of day 4. I'll show you here. Go pa kay siya tanawon daari ay. Wow, it looks nice here. This is, by the way, our room. This is the whole family room, this side. And then this is the bathroom area. I'm gonna show you later the inside. This is the outside. This is the progress of day 4. And then as well, this one. That's it. That's the wall. So this is the kitchen area where you can use some wood stove. And then as well, this one is the sink area where you can put all of the plates. This is the outside. That's the progress of day 4. This is gonna be our extended area. So we're going to remove this side, this wall, and then move it here. And then this side is gonna be walls like this. And as well this one. And also there. It's super messy. This is gonna be the chairs. And this is the progress of the day 5. And this is the progress of the same kitchen area. So as you can see in the previous video where this side is almost separate from this side, so they do this so that it will be stronger. And as well, this is gonna be a sink. So this is the inside. This is our room. This is where dad sleep, guys. It's so messy, don't mind the background. And then they put some cabinets here. And then this is our window. Mom made some curtain. And we use for this kind of like nail. And we can do like this. And as well this one. And then when we do lock, it's a nail as well. And put it here, and then connect it to here, like this. This is the native lock here in the province, guys. Ta-da! Good morning, my bananas! And we have some window as well in this side. This is the entrance area. There, and then that's the new door. Gonna be new door later after this one, and that one closed. And we have this one as well. Yay! Very nice. So good morning, guys. So welcome to our new update at the farmhouse. And today we are going to get some puso ng saging. And later we have a meeting for the upcoming celebration, which is the family tree reunion. We are preparing some food for later, so we're going to get some puso ng saging. Let's see if we can get some puso ng saging here. And I am walking, and my cousin's over there. Ha? Pwede na tayo manguha dire mo na ato ah? So we're going to get some banana blossom. So we need 4 pieces of banana blossom. Okay, so we found one banana blossom. We have some kuhit. That's what we call kuhit. Oops. Ay. Ooh. Inana day kapuok.
Napadato dalan.
So that one. Ang saon day na siya? Katong tinunuan. And this is the 5th one. Sakto ra guro na ay. Pamta daga. Ha?
Kagmay. Nindot man to
Oo.
Mukuan pa mo gunin siya panitan.
So we have 3 pieces now. We need more. It's one over there.
Pati dito.
So we have 2 pieces. And then 2 pieces over there. And then there's more. And this is the road. Some of the roads here looks like this. And it goes over there. This is the puso ng saging. So I am going to show you how we do it here. We are going to peel it. And we're gonna peel it later. Ay, nana, day kakuan. Nana, kakuan.
Tubo pang
Hindi na. Wate, wanari.
maigo dai.
Balwa.
Mubo kay tanang ko ano mo nga na.
It becomes smaller because we are peeling the red ones and we are trying to keep the white ones like this.
Ito nga ng itlog. Nami ko siguro na. Ano nanay ba? Luto sa black. Yung dito na to. Ito ano ba?
So this one is good already. Ayun.
Ay! Angin!
Pagkundang, hangin. Low. Ayun, ganaon. Ang gano'n. Taas ka iyo.
Hello!
Lako ta diri ay.
Oh my god, such a big tree!
Duol daw ko nuuguan oh. Hindi katagap to kung kaigo daw ko nuuguan.
Ano ba mga pakakadahan?
Sulayan ka na itong luto.
Parang ganang itlog ba nga mo katong katong mamangitay nga mas tumod pa manggani yung pistanan.
So this is all the banana blossom for our lunch later. And by the way guys, this one, you know the liquid, that one can stain your clothes. It's gonna be look dark after if that touches your clothes or cloth, anything. So you have to be careful with this. And also it's very sticky.
Ganggang is cutting.
Unom ni kabok.
And this is the new progress of the farmhouse. As you can see, there's a walls in here already. Dad made all of this. see. And then over here and right there, the chairs as well. This one. So that's the new progress. And then Dad is working on the walls over there because that's gonna be a room. It's actually scary, guys. As you can see, it's super windy. That one has a lot of brown leaves of the coconut, brown coconut as well. And over here, this one, this coconut is slanting, and then once this one collapses, it goes all the way to the house. Yeah, it's actually pretty scary. You know, there's a lot of brown leaves as well and brown coconut that's gonna fall anytime because it's super windy this time. Kumisiga. Kas araman.
Kabula eh. Kung sino si isa. Tinood ang sakto ba din nado eh.
Kagod ko isa ka bagol. Dili ko an record tanan. So once you do like this, you have to start in this side. It's easier this way. And this one is actually sharp, so you have to be careful, this one.
Hindi gana dia eh, sentro.
$3.5 ang per square meter, good.
Malitan nila eh. Oh, mahalon man ang mga kuan.
My hands look so red. This is the coconut milk. So we're going to put some water and then squeeze, and then that's gonna be our coconut milk. So after boiling this one for a few minutes, probably 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. They're going to chop it like this. Turns into small pieces. Timplado na po ng suka. And they are eating this one. And then dip in the sauce. Lamig naman dah. Tabang lang ang suka ata. O tabang lang siya. Dapat gasinan dahil ini. Pagkuan. Lata.
Pwede na to. Hindi na eh. Hindi na. Gisal taglamas. Uno na. Nagpagatuno.
It's actually tasty when you dip in the vinegar. Once it boils for a few minutes, it will be so tender, and you can do chop just by using a spoon. So, rasa. 11:32. So, this is with coconut milk. It tastes here with coconut milk, guys. So, this is with coconut milk. And this one without coconut milk because I can't eat with coconut milk. We have some rice and this one. So we are going to make some kulu. This is what it looks like. Looks like marang as well. Ay, yung dire murag jackfruit. Here the skin looks like jackfruit. Kung ano sila kang igsuon na sila o igagaw.
Kani pagmangko ni wala liso.
Pag umangko ni sa marang. Ano ba? Jacket na ko. Tapaw. Puti ba na mo ah? This is some kind of gabi. I am cleaning it because maybe we can use it to have some soup. Mautan pa ni ma? Ne? Kamatuya ani.
Basig mautan. Sa atbang kay ang kamanoy dire.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!